guys, welcome to my channel Debarati Speaks. This is Debarati Bhattacharya and today I have come with an important update on NEET. So today a virtual meeting was conducted by the chief ministers of all the non-BJP government states that included West Bengal, Maharashtra, Jharkhand, Rajasthan and the others in presence of Mrs. Sonia Gandhi ji, and there it was decided that they will now fight together for the postponement of NEET and JEE. The Chief Minister of West Bengal, Ms. Mamata Banerjee, raised this topic with top priority, and she said that it was important for all the states now to get together and they should fight for the grievances of the students. They should look into the matter of grievances of the students. There are no transports, there are a lot of problems, people are affected mentally, and there are floods going on in different parts of India, and it's very difficult for the students to appear for the exams right now. And she raised this topic with priority, and she said that it was important for all the states now to get together, and they will go to the Apex Court once again and ask the Honorable Apex Court to review its decision on this exam. And she also said that she will do it, and with the support from other state governments, and so that is a positive sign. But while that is a positive sign, now if this was happening like 2-3 weeks back, I would have said that you can have high hopes. But since the exams are just around the corner, like it's knocking at your door, the JEE mains is starting from the 1st of September. So having your hopes really high and wasting your time is not a good option right now. I would suggest you that keep preparing for the exam. Whenever there is a new update, I'll just come and give you the update, but you keep on preparing. Let's hope for the best, but be prepared for the worst. So anything happens, they are trying their best to do it, but given the time span that is left for the commencement of JEE especially, so I don't know how high should we keep our hopes, but yeah, even if there's a little hope, they will be going for it, because our grievances are genuine. The students' grievances are genuine. So in this case, what she said today in the meeting that was telecasted live in the regional channels, if something has to happen, it has to happen real soon. So let's keep our fingers crossed. Now if there is a new update in this case, I'll just come back to you and update you on the matter. And till then, just stay focused, keep studying, and subscribe to my channel to get the new updates. And do not forget to click the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye.